Let's pop through and look at the niches. So we love divorce law, family law, immigration law, criminal law, DUI law, employment law, wage and hour law. As you can see, we like the law niche. House cleaning, accounting, janitorial services, commercial cleaning, power washing, pressure washing, ear, nose, and throat doctors, podiatrists, cardiologists, any of the submedical specialties. So family doctor, pediatrician, what's the bone doctor? Why am I having a brain fart here? An orthopedic or orthopedist, mold removal, roofing, any of the trades, anything with larger transaction values. Those are great. Let me go back to the medical real quick. This business has changed dramatically in the last few years. Businesses or submedical niches that didn't have to advertise previously because they got all their business referred from other practitioners. The way insurance is working these days, that shifted, and they do now have to advertise and get a bit more aggressive than they used to. So I believe this is a wide open market. Any of the submedical specialties is good. You can charge higher high transaction or high management fees and do it value based, and they don't need a big budget to really see an impactful campaign. Like something like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month is more than enough in a lot of these submedical specialties. So keep that in mind. So there was one I saw on the list earlier that I wanted to talk about. Where are you? Drug and alcohol rehabs. This used to be a monster niche. Guys spending 50, 100, 200 grand a month. Lots of them, all over the country. The problem is Google's been slapping it down recently. In my opinion, I'd stay out of this niche because it's just Google's showing campaigns as being live, but they're severely limited and they're throttled. So it's becoming a lot harder to get a client enough traction for it to make sense. They have the money to spend. It's just becoming harder and harder to actually spend that money in Google. So I just wanted to throw that out. So we're probably actually going to edit that one out now that I think about it. There's actually a bunch more that we would add back in. So business law is another one we're doing really well in now. I'd add that onto this list. We do really well in cash for houses, pest removal, duct cleaning, you name it. If it's on this list, we love it. There's a little hidden gem here. These two. Booming market. Not many sophisticated advertisers in terms of online lead generation. So we think this market's wide open. Anyways, lots of good stuff on there.